Hi guys, this is Mehak Bansal, a Salesforce developer. So I have been learning Lightning Web Component nowadays, so I thought of sharing it with the community. So I started a blog series with that, and now I'm starting a video series which could, ultimately help you learn LWC. So for that, I need to go to a website called sftccoder.wordpress.com. This is the new blog series that I've been writing down. From over here, once you visit over here on the home page, just go to Lightning Web Component. This is a new page wherein you'll find everything related to a Lightning Web Component. Okay, so over here I've created certain chapters. You can follow the chapters and can learn it easily from in the chapters. Let's start by doing with everything about Salesforce DX. Now we cannot develop Lightning Web Components with developer console. We need to have a system and tools set up into our system in order to work with the LWC, or to create LWC we need certain tools in our hands. Okay, Salesforce even had recently announced that from October 2019 it will not longer would be supporting Force.com ID. So we ultimately have to move to another ID that could be VS Code or Sublime or anything of your choice. But as I like doing development with VS Code, so I'll be here talking about VS Code. And one of the various benefits of having this thing is that we can utilize our different learnings that we have done in different careers. Maybe I'm coming from an Android development background, so I used to like the development environment over there. I used to work with Android Studios. Similarly, over here they had given us CLI, DX, so that is ultimately helping us doing the development. It makes our life easy. We need not to remember everything. Okay, so we can do it with Salesforce DX. So let us start doing the step-by-step guide. So first of all, download VS Code. It's Visual Studio Code available from Microsoft.com. Just click over this link and you'll go to another space over here. You can just download it for Windows or Mac as per your OS. Okay. Then after doing that, install it into a system. Upon launching, you will see a screen something like this. Okay, this is the screen that you'll see upon successful installation of VS Code. Then again, let's go back and let's install Salesforce CLI. Again, you have to install it as per your system configuration, whether you are using Windows or Mac. Install it, and upon installation, you can check its installation by going to command prompt. Okay, and just typing sfdx. For now, you can do that step or even you can skip it. Okay. After doing this installation of CLI, just go to VS Code again, so that we install certain extensions which are required to use Salesforce into our Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is not only being used for development of Salesforce, it's also being used for the development of like Node.js, web development. Various developers across the world are using it. Okay. So just go to Visual Studio Code over here. You'll see this icon, this thing. This is the place where you need to click. So it will give us every extensions which is available to us. Here we can search for any new extensions. Here are certain recommended extensions. For the first time, you'll not see anything over here. It would be a lot of lists. You just need to download certain extensions which I have already defined into this block. Okay, so here I've defined that you need to download Salesforce extension pack. So just type Salesforce extensions, and you'll see that soon from the marketplace we have got this thing. Okay, so this system is already installed. This extension is already installed into my system. So I'm seeing this option of uninstalling it. Here you'll see the option of install. So you just need to click over there, and soon it will be installed into your system. Fine. After doing this installation, let's go back to the blog and see what else we need. We need Salesforce Lightning Web Component. Okay. So what we need to do again, just from the marketplace, we need to search for Salesforce Lightning Web Components. Let's press enter, and yes, over here we have seen there is something called Lightning Web Components. This is again an extension being provided to us by Salesforce. We just need to install it As my system is already having this thing, so I'm seeing this option of uninstall. You'll be seeing over here the option of install. Just install it from here. After successful installation, what you'll see this that here it's uninstall for Lightning Web Components. Similarly for Salesforce extension pack 2, you'll see an uninstall option. Okay, you can relaunch VS Code after this. Okay, that's the best step to do so that extensions work. One more thing that I like to show you over here is that we have come up with this like Salesforce had come up with this thing which is replay debugger. Okay, so this thing is very useful. We'll be learning about it soon when we'll be doing development. This is the place where we can do debugging when we are doing JavaScript development, or from here this debugging could help us a lot. We'll be doing it when we are doing development.